Hello children. So today I have come with a new topic and the name of the topic is what makes a good writer. Children, what do you think? Only a good handwriting can make you a good writer? Like when you were in pre-primary you started writing alphabets, right? In cursive handwriting, capital letter, bold letters, you have learned so many things. So only writing in a beautiful way will make you a good writer. So let's learn what makes a good writer. So a good writer is someone who plans. Children, when you write something, so obviously something is in your mind and you want to pen it down in your copy. So before writing, you will plan how to write. Fine. Edits. Yes, children, as we are human beings and it's human nature to commit mistake. So when we write, we can commit mistake. Fine. So if you're writing with a pencil, so obviously you can use eraser to correct it. So children, whenever you write something, you should always give an option to edit also, because while writing we can make mistakes and while reading it again, okay, we can find out those mistakes, so we can correct it. Proofreads. Yes, children, sometimes what happens, we cannot find our own mistakes. So what can we do? After writing, we can give the copy or notebook to our parents or elders or anyone like teacher or your friends also for proofreading. Maybe they can find your mistake or they can suggest you a better way to express your views. Fine. Organizes their ideas. Yes, children, suppose you are topping up writing about suppose your best friend, or you're writing about your parents. So what will you do? First you will think that how to start, what to write first, and after that what to write. Fine. Suppose you're writing about your best friend, so you will write first where have you meet, what was your first conversation. So always organize your ideas, and it's the best idea, or it is a very good idea to first write the points and then you can elaborate it. Uses their imagination. Yes children, whatever we hear or whatever we read, we start imagining those things in our mind. So you can also use your imaginations to express your views. Writes and draws. Children, you do you know, drawings are the best thing to express your views, and it's very easy for the reader also to understand. But the condition is that you should be a good artist so that you can draw well, so that the person who is reading, he can understand. Looks for details. Yes children, suppose you are writing on such topic which you are not very much familiar with, so what you can do, you can look for the details. You can ask from your parents or teachers. You can also check on the internet. Okay, but always write a paragraph in detail so that a reader can better understand it. Suppose you are writing about tsunami. So if you don't know about tsunami, how will you write it? Fine. So what you can do, you can read in the book also, you can find on the internet also. You read all the things, you see the pictures, and then you can write about tsunami in your own words. Takes their time. Yes children, like you don't have to be in hurry, don't write in hurry, otherwise what will happen, you will miss some points, or you will not be able to write the best, you will not be able to give your best. So always takes your time. First organize your things, find the details of that thing, okay, find all the information about that particular topic, and then you start writing. Uses the writing process. See children, what happened, it depends on the question also, that what kind of question you are getting. Suppose you are getting a question like you write a letter, so there are format, there are some process, like the informal letter writing or formal letter writing, both have different formats. Suppose you have to write notice writing or message writing, so everything have different format. Diary writing. Fine. So uses the writing process. So always you should read the question, and always you should think about what is the best way to write it. So children, I hope you have understood that how you can become a good writer, and I assume all of you are good writers. So try to become better day by day. So children, who is a good writer? A good writer is someone like you. That's all for today children. Thank you.